Adding a signature to a digital document is essential for contracts, letters, and reports. Microsoft Word gives you two main professional ways to do this. You can either use the official signature line placeholder, great for documents that need to be digitalized later, or what you can do is to insert a clean image of your actual handwritten signature. So I'll show you how to do both, starting with the simplest option, the signature line. So the first thing to do here is to first click where you want the signature to appear into your document. As we, for example, here is my actual element that I would like to add. So for this, what I'm going to be doing here is to just click into, for example, this element. So sincerely, I just type enter, and here's my actual blank space, right? So if I just enter two different space, I have to a little bit more of space here. So what I want you to do here is that on the far right section of insert, I'm going to click into this option. And here, what I want to be doing here is to check out the ribbon menu. Now on the far right, find the text section and click the signature element that you might be seeing here directly into this element. If you don't see this element which says symbols, you have, for example, the drawing, here's a picture, here's the illustration, quick templates, table of content, links, and so much more. You'd want to be focusing in the right now. Now, if you're using, for example, the Microsoft 365 that I'm using, which is totally free, you might not be finding the text element where you might be seeing the drop-down signature line and choose the Microsoft Office signature line. So this might be, for example, for payment only, for choosing an actual plan. But don't worry, you can just click into the option that says illustration and drawing. Here, what I'm going to be doing here is to choose the option that says draw, and I choose the black pen. And here it says draw with touch, and I just go here and I just start to draw, for example, my actual signature, like, for example, inside here. Okay, this is like not the best element that I have chosen so far, but let's assume, for example, this is my actual signature. So once this signature has been imported, what I'm going to be doing here is to select, for example, this element. And here I just, if you want to, of course, edit your drawing, edit your element, just click into the right element here into edit your drawing, and this will be leaving you back directly in here. You can just move all the drawing that you have done so far every time you make an actual click. After that, you click into the option that says save and continue, and this will be leaving you now here directly in that. Now, what I'm going to do here is to just send this element all my way down where it says sincerely. So something like this. Now I'm going to put this, let's say, into the middle, and I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. When I finish with this process, I want to make sure that all of these elements appears into the actual same page. So for this, what I can do now is to make sure that this image, for example, I'm going to go for the option that says insert, or the actual image to my line spacing. I'm going to make this only for 1, and I'm going to delete this space like this 2 times. There we go. So when I finish with this element, what I can do now is just to hit into the fit element like this to see how it actually looks my actual document. When you finish with this element, the next thing to do is to click into OK. And then to insert your actual signature, to just, let's say, for example, select the signature and insert it later, what you can do is to click directly in there. You can make changes there. So to finish with this line, just you can resize it every time you want to, and go for the option that says show. And you have the show option. You can copy the link directly in here, or if you like to export your document, just click into the option that says file, export. You can download all this as a PDF, and you're actually good to go. So to quickly summarize, use the signature line from the insert tab that appears here into insert. This should give you the element that says text, and directly into text you should see the option that says the placeholder of the signature line. If you don't see this element, this might be the reason, because you are using an actual free element of the Microsoft Word. So you can do what I just did, is to just add the actual element directly from the drawing section from the insert. Something else that you can do is to choose the option that says picture from this device, and what you can do is to import your signature if you have this exported as a GPG file. You need to open, and this will be imported that element directly in here and do exactly the same thing as we just did from the other elements. So which type of signature would you like to add to your next document? You can let me know in the comment below. If this tutorial was helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools here from Microsoft Word. Thank you once again, guys, for watching the video, guys. See you next time.